This is the Dog River step, and it comes from Dog River Blues Dance. The choreography was by Alan Zion, and it starts with 2 Kentucky drag steps. We go double step, drag step, double step, drag step, double step, drag step, drag step, drag step. So it's all drag steps. So the first 4 counts, and the 1 and 2 and the 3 and 4. Now you're going to do alternate feet, double step, drag step, drag step, drag step. Dog River step, double step, kick step, double step, kick step, double step, kick step, kick step, kick step. Now when you're dragging and clogging, you're going to kick the opposite foot. So we double step. I'm going to kick my right foot forward, and that's going to propel my left foot back like a drag. Drag step. And I repeat that. Double step, drag step. So in clogging, when one foot goes forward, the other one does the opposite move. And that applies to the drag steps. So the Dog River step starts with 2 Kentucky drag steps, both on the left foot, leading. Ready, go. Double step, kick step, double step, kick step. Now we're going to do one more. Double step, kick step. We're going to add 2 more kick steps. Kick step, kick step. So it counts like this. And a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. We're finishing with our weight on our right foot. Dog River step. Ready, go. Double step, kick step, double step, kick step. And the timing, Dog River step, and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. With the music, Dog River step. 5, 6, Dog River step, double step, drag step, double step, drag step, double step, drag step, drag step, drag step. Now no talking. Dog River step. Now with the counting. Dog River step, and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now to this side, Dog River step. And that is the Dog River step from the Dog River Blues Dance.